You know that feeling, right? You have the perfect recipe, all the right ingredients, and you follow the instructions step by step. But every time you pull the cake out of the oven, it's a pancake. That's what it's like in business sometimes. On paper, everything looks right. The strategy makes sense. You're putting in the hours, and yet somehow you're always fighting fires instead of moving forward. You sign a big client and your server crashes. You fix a broken process and suddenly your best employee quits. The sales numbers look great, but at the end of the month, you're staring at your bank account, wondering where all the money went. After a while, you realize it's not just a string of bad luck. It's a pattern, a rhythm you can't quite put your finger on. Now, this is where a lot of people get spooked. The moment they hear the word clash in Bazi, they think something is broken, something is wrong, or that the universe has it out for them. But let's be clear, a clash is not a problem. A clash is just movement. Think of it like a strong gust of wind. The wind itself isn't good or bad. It just is. But if you have a loose shingle on your roof, that gust of wind is going to find it and rip it right off. The wind didn't create a faulty roof. It just revealed it. A clash is an activation. It means something in your world is being shaken up, ready or not. And when that shake-up involves your money, people really start to panic. A wealth clash doesn't mean your money is going to disappear. Imagine your business is a bucket, and revenue is the water pouring into it. A clash is like someone turning the faucet on full blast. More water is pouring in, which is great. But if your bucket has a few tiny hidden holes, that intense water pressure will make the water spray out everywhere. Suddenly, it feels like you're losing everything, even though more is coming in than ever before. It feels like money in, money out. Not because your wealth is being destroyed, but because the system, your bucket, is being pressure tested. And if your bucket is leaky, you're going to feel it. This is the secret most people miss. The clash isn't the problem, it's the trigger that reveals the problem. It's the stress test that shows you the weak points in your bridge asterisk before asterisk it collapses. If your financial controls are loose, a clash will expose them. If your team is fragile, a clash will shake it. So the question isn't, is this clash killing my profits? The real question is, which part of my business isn't ready for a gust of wind? Because that's exactly where you feel the pressure. And this is where it gets useful. You don't stop a wave. You learn to surf. Your job isn't to hide from the clash. Your job is to use its momentum. When you know a big wave is coming, you prepare differently. You start plugging the holes in your bucket, one by one. You check every expense, so you know exactly where the water is going. You strengthen your team, so if one person moves, the whole structure doesn't wobble. You make decisions knowing you're in a season of movement, not a season of stillness. So is a Bazi clash killing your business profits? No, it's just holding up a big bright flashing sign, pointing to where your business isn't built to handle change. The clash isn't your enemy, it's your signal. It's the GPS telling you exactly where to look, what to fix, and where your next big breakthrough is waiting. If you see a clash in your chart, don't panic and don't ignore it. Get to know it. Because once you understand what it's really trying to show you, you stop getting knocked over by the waves and you start riding them. And that's when the problem becomes your greatest advantage.